My name is Stefan Gunther. I'm Vice President Casting Solutions for EMEA at KUKA Industries. KUKA is a worldwide leader in automation technology. We provide individual robots, production cells, and comprehensive solutions for fully automated manufacturing plants. The casting market is characterized by rapid growth and high customer demands. We've come to know Flender as an innovative, flexible partner here. In the casting area, we use Flender drives primarily for our sliding, tilting table presses, which employ a Flender SIP planetary gear unit motor. We decided on Flender products because of their energy efficiency and their high accuracy of fit. With Flender, we've surpassed our plant targets.